Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Microsoft Access database. This is an essential skill for backing up your data, creating test versions, or simply ensuring you have a safe copy before making major changes. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and load into your database. This is the database you want to create a copy of, so make sure you've opened the correct one. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin the copying process. Now, to copy your Microsoft Access database, click on the File tab located at the top part of your screen. This will open up a menu with various options for managing your database. From this menu, look for the Save As option and click on it. This is where the magic happens, as Save As allows you to create a duplicate of your entire database rather than just saving changes to the existing one. The backing up process from here is pretty straightforward. Upon clicking on Save As, you're essentially creating a copy of your database. You'll notice a right side panel appears with different file type options. This gives you flexibility in how you want to save your database copy. Once you've selected your preferred file type on the right side panel, click on the Save As button again. At this point, you'll be prompted to select a file destination on your computer where you want to store this backup. This is an important decision. Choose a location that's easy to remember and ideally separate from where your original database is stored. Many people create a dedicated backups folder for this purpose. Here's a crucial tip. Make sure to rename the file to avoid file mix-ups between the original and the backup. You might add the date to the file name, like database_backup_2024, or add a version number to keep track of different copies. And there you have it. You've successfully created a copy of your Microsoft Access database. This backup ensures your data is protected and gives you the freedom to experiment with your original database, knowing you have a safe copy stored away. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.